You are not running out of content. You are wasting it. Most entrepreneurs create one post, publish it once, and move on. That is the slowest way to grow. Here is the smarter approach. Repurpose everything. Start with one core idea. It could be a short video, a simple insight, or a lesson you have learned. Turn that into multiple formats. A video becomes short clips. A clip becomes a text post. That text becomes a carousel or a thread. Tools like Canva help you turn ideas into visuals, while CapCut makes it easy to break longer videos into shorter pieces. Now here is where most people get it wrong. Repurposing is not copying and pasting. It is adapting the same idea to fit different formats and audiences. For introverts, this is powerful. You do not need to constantly create new content. You need to maximize what you already have. One idea can become 5, 10, even more pieces of content. That means less pressure, more consistency, and better results over time. So the question is simple. Are you creating more, or are you using what you already created well?